Hi, Stephen with Bellwether, and today we're going to talk about siding installation best practices. When it comes to best practices, we like to refer to James Hardie's best practices, which is their installation guidelines, which meets or exceeds any IRC code. But most importantly, when you're installing cladding on your home, after you've taken care of the substrate, you're sure that you have a nice, durable, solid, smooth substrate like OSB or gypsum board, or maybe flame block, fire resistant sheathing. Now you want to address the next layer, which is your weather resistant barrier. We like to use Hardie wrap. There are weather resistant barriers that come from all different sorts of manufacturers. And as you start to install the cladding, one of the things that we really take a lot of time, care, and attention to detail to perfect is the flashing. That's pieces of metal that get bent, custom bent on a brake when you're doing remodeling, to perfectly fit those areas that need relief from grade. So from the ground up, making sure that no moisture can get behind your cladding. And then at the intersection of walls, at the intersection of roof facets and walls, you're going to have pieces of metal flashing that direct moisture away from the walls, away from the roof. Any areas like valleys where moisture needs to be diverted so that it doesn't settle up against the walls and cause a problem with moisture intrusion. All of those little details where we bend that metal, which is typically color matched to your siding or your trim, that's called flashing. Flashing is the most important performance detail that frequently gets missed by other companies who have installers that are not accustomed with installing in accordance with best practices.